How many times have you stood in front of your closet, strong at your shoe collection, wondering what shoes should I wear today? Do you choose based on color, design, or do you prioritize comfort over style? The truth is, backing the right shoes isn't just about looks. It's about matching them with the occasion, your outfit, and even your personal comfort. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to select the perfect shoes for any event, whether it's a business meeting, a formal party, a casual outing with friends, or even a summer vacation. Get ready to discover the secrets of pairing your shoes with your outfit like a pro. Section 1. Formal shoes. Elegance you can't elegant. When do you need them? Boarding business meetings, job interviews, and special events. Beast types. 1. Oxford shoes. The top choice for a sophisticated formal look, features a sleek design with a closed lacing system. Beast worn with formal suits in black, navy, or dark gray. 2. Double shoes. Similar to Oxford but slightly less formal, making them stable for both formal and semi-formal occasions. Ideal for those who want elegance without excessive formality. 3. Loafers. A slip-on shoe that combines elegance with convenience. Perfect for business casual or smart casual outfit. Works well in spring and summer and can even be worn without socks for a trendy look. Important tips. Choose genuine leather shoes for a premium look and long-lasting quality. Ensure the shoe color complements your build and outfit. Always polish your shoes. Prefer wearing them to maintain a polished appearance. Section 2. Casual shoes. Style meets comfort. When do you need them? Informal gatherings, casual outings, coffee shop, and relaxed social events. Best types. 1. Classic sneakers. A comfortable and stylish choice that pairs well with jeans, t-shirts, or even casual suits. Natural colors like white, gray, and black are versatile and match most outfit. 2. Chelsea boots. A sleek ankle high boot, ideal for autumn and winter. Pairs well with jeans, shines for masculine and refined look. 3. Canvas shoes. Perfect for summer due to their lightweight and breathable design. Great for the outfit and come in various designs and colors. Important tips. Keep your white sneakers clean as dirt can ruin their aesthetic. Pre-wearing low-cut or going cyclist for a modern touch. Avoid worn out or damaged as they can naturally impact your overall look. Section 3. Sports shoes. Performance overlooks when you need them. Exercising, going to the gym, or engaging in activities that require prolonged waking or movement. Best types. 1. Running shoes. Lightweight and designs for comfort and sport during running or long walks. Look for shoes that provide proper heel support and reduce joint stress. 2. Training shoes. Ideal for various workouts like weightlifting, cardio, and mixed exercise. Offers stability and comfort for high intensity activities. 3. Football or basketball shoes. If you play a specific sport, it's best to invest in shoes designed for that activity to enhance performance and prevent injuries. Important tips. Don't wear sports shoes as everyday casual shoes. They're designed for function, not just fashion. Choose the right shoe based on the type of special activity you do. Allow your shoes to air out after use to prevent bad odors. Section 4. Summer comfort shoes. Light in relaxed elegance. when you need them. When traveling during summer vacations or on hot days when comfort is key. Best types. 1. Leather sandals. A great summer choice, offering both comfort and elegance. Opt for stylish designs and avoid cheap, light-stick sandals. 2. Paddles. Lightweight fabric. Shoes that provide comfort and style without being overly casual. Perfect for casual summer outfit like shorts and cotton shirts. 3. Comfortable walking shoes. Designed for all-day comfort, making them ideal for travel or city exploration. Shoes with prefer hairspray and cushioning soles to reduce for strain. 10 tips. Avoid only casual or fitting sandals. Shoes on match your personal style. Take care of your fit, as summer footwear often exposes more of them. Do you have the complete knowledge to pack the right shoes for any occasion? Style isn't just about clothing. It is the small details like shoes can elevate or diminish your overall look. Which type of shoes do you prefer the most? And do you have a pair you can't live without? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exclusive fashion and styling tips.